Hi guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to connect an unstable circuit and using it to control the timing of two AC bulbs. Okay, so let's start from our gallery. Designing an unstable circuit, you will need a DC supply. So I'll be getting my DC supply from here. I'll be making 12 volts. I'll be using 12 volts on my DC supply. Okay, this is done. I'll also be needing an AC supply. So I'll be changing it to 20 volts. That's what I use in Nigeria. So this is it. So it's 220 volts, 20 volts DC. $20 volts AC, 50 Hz. And I'll be needing my headset. That's all I'll need for the power section. Okay, so next we'll be needing is passive components. So let me get my passive component. Yeah, I'll be needing 1K resistor. I'll be needing a variable resistor. Also be needing an electrolytic capacitor, 100 microfarad, 50 volts. So I'll be needing my integrated circuits, 5 timer IC for an unstable circuit. I'll also be needing output device, a signal lamp, and a relay. So I think practically this is all I need. The relay will be for the switching. Okay. Then let me just get a switch for my electronic circuit board. Let's get it. Power supply. That's it. So input components. Let's just get simple click switch. This is optional. You could not add it. You could not add it here. Okay. So we'll be changing this to 12 volts. The relay. We need a 12 volt model. I'll be changing our bulb to 220 volts AC. 20 amps. So this is it. This is my switch. So let's get started. We're bringing our IC down and our DC supply, 1K resistor, our variable resistor, then our electrolytic capacitor. Okay, so let me take this. Good. So we'll be connecting this switch to the resistor, connecting our pin 4 to pin 8, connecting our pin 8 through the VCC to this resistor, then be connecting our variable resistor to the 1K resistor, connecting our pin 7 to the resistors, be connecting pin 6 to pin 2, and also connecting pin 6 pin 2 to our capacitor through the variable resistor. We'll be connecting the pin 1 down to the negative part of the capacitor, connecting negative part to a DC supply. Okay. So next section will be grounding our circuit. So connecting the switch to the positive for our DC supply. So I'll be grounding my circuit around here. Is it? So now the pin 3 will be the output. Pin 5 we'll be connecting our pin 5. So we've already changed the properties of the relays, so we'll be needing double of the relays and double of the lamp. So okay. So I will need double of this. I'll just copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, paste it, bring it down. Let me keep it here. Then I'll be also copying this. Need double of it, so let me just paste it. So now I'll be connecting my two relays to the output. So the pin 1 of the relay will first go to the 8, then the other parts of the relay will go to the 2. So this is it. Then negative part of the relay, let me bring my relay a little bit down. So this for space, I'll bring it a little bit down. This should do. Okay. This is it. I've connected my relay to the pin 1 through the ground channel. Then I'll be connecting my bulb signal lamp, first one, bulb 1. Okay, let's connect bulb 1 and 2 together. So I'm connecting the live terminal of the bulb to the common of the relay. So the next terminal I'll be connecting it to So this is our AC supply. That is my AC supply. We're connecting it to the normally close. I actually showed you how to connect a relay in a video in my channel. So if you have issues connecting your relay, you can also go there. It's simple. So this is the normally open of the relay. That's it. I'll be connecting the normally open of the second bulb also from the relay to the left terminal of the AC supply. The neutral terminal of the bulb will be connected to the neutral terminal of the AC supply. I'll be connecting the AC supply of bulb 2 to it. So this is it. So let's check our circuits. Let me zoom out a little for you guys to see. Okay, so this is the entire circuit. Let me zoom in. Okay, this is it. We know what all happened. So I'm stimulating for you guys to see. Yeah, it's working. So let me get to the W. Then I'll be changing. So when I increase the variable resistor, it increases the timing for the bulbs to switch. So after a while, I've increased it to switch. So I will convert it into a PCB view for you to see. So let me convert to PCB view for you to see how the board will look like. So this is next. Just run the wizard. So this is the PCB view. Still loading. So we're done with the PCB conversion. This is how the array work looks like. So let me zoom on it a little for you guys to see. So this is it. So this is how our circuit will look like. So we'll take this off. Oh, sorry. So this is it. So okay. So this is how the connection parts looks like. And this is the real. So thank you. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more interesting videos on this. Thank you.